Mistplay rewards eligible users for trying and playing mobile games, while simply playing games for fun gives you entertainment but no built-in rewards. If your goal is earning something back from time you already spend gaming, Mistplay has a clear advantage. If your only goal is enjoying the game itself, reward points may not matter. By the end of this video, you'll know when Mistplay is worth using, when it isn't, and how to decide whether the rewards justify the extra time in 2026. Here's the short answer. Mistplay is worth considering if you already play mobile games regularly and don't mind trying new titles from its library. If you would only play games to earn rewards, you'll probably find the earnings too small to replace a part-time job or freelance work. The biggest difference is why you're playing. When you play strictly for fun, you choose any game you like, stop whenever you want, and never think about points, rewards, or redemption requirements. Your only goal is entertainment. Mistplay adds another objective. You earn reward units by playing eligible games and meeting the app's requirements. Those units can later be redeemed for available rewards, but only after reaching the required redemption threshold. That sounds great, but there's a trade-off. To maximize rewards, you may spend time playing games you wouldn't normally download. If you're forcing yourself through a game just to collect points, the experience can feel more like completing tasks than relaxing. Another thing to remember is that rewards depend on eligible games remaining available in the app. The selection changes over time, so a game earning rewards today may not always stay in the program. The best way to use Mistplay is to treat rewards as a bonus instead of income. Play games you genuinely enjoy, redeem rewards when you qualify, and avoid spending money inside games unless you already plan to do so. Chasing rewards by making unnecessary purchases defeats the purpose of earning free gift cards. If you're deciding between Mistplay and simply playing for fun, ask yourself one question. Would you still enjoy these games if there were no rewards? If the answer is yes, the extra rewards are a nice benefit. If the answer is no, your time may be better spent on hobbies you actually enjoy or on higher-paying side hustles. The bottom line is simple. Mistplay can add value to gaming you already plan to do, but it shouldn't be viewed as a significant source of income. Play because you enjoy the games first, collect rewards second, and cash out whenever you reach the redemption requirement. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other app comparisons.